Hare Krishna everyone, Mila here. About 2.5 weeks I came back to Switzerland from Vrindavan and something was waiting for me, a big surprise was waiting for me. As the title reveals, the silver play bottom. Yay! Hare Krishna! It arrived when I was in India, so it has been almost a month here in my house, but I haven't opened it yet because I was busy. I was waiting for a peaceful moment when I can do this and film it. The only reason why I want to film it, of course, I want to share it with you, but I also want my parents to see it, to see this moment. They live in Skopje, the capital city of Macedonia, and I think they will be proud of me and happy for my achievement. But actually, before opening this, I would like to share the story how I came so far. Actually, I never ever planned to be a YouTuber, influencer. Even now, I don't think of me as such. And those who know me, they know me. I am very shy and very introverted person. And I would never, even in my wildest dream, would have come to this point, to this moment, like, oh yeah, why not? Actually, I can open a YouTube and you know, post stuff. So no, the story goes back in 2020. A friend of mine installed Premiere Pro on my laptop. And maybe some of you know that I'm a poet, I'm a writer. I have written 2 books, the third one is on the way. The first book is called The Moon is My Witness. This is the first edition, the second edition, and the third edition is only in English and it's available on Amazon. So what I did was I started posting poems from this book, which is actually not much really directly about Krishna. It's more about life and love and reincarnation, like that. So I posted those some of the poems on YouTube, and I chose just any random music as a background music from Pixels. Sometimes I would just upload from any other place. I felt like didn't care much about copyright or so on and so on. So it shows that I just did it out of sheer pleasure in creating. As a kid and teenager, I took many classes in classical ballet. And my first poem I wrote when I was 12, and I never stopped. So in May 2022, my second book came out. I think the sun knows, and this book I wrote on the instruction of my Gurudev. It's only about Sri Vrindavan Dham. So obviously the titles of those videos were Vrindavan and India related. Then at that time, also during Corona, I was thinking really it's the perfect opportunity to learn a new skill. So while learning how to create videos, I was also studying Hindi online with my Hindi teacher from Vrindavan. And I started cooking because I love cooking, and I started uploading videos while trying to speak in Hindi as a challenge to me, to inspire me to study, because sometimes I was just not motivated because it's hard. I'm in Switzerland, not a single person around me here speaks Hindi, so the motivation was really very much low. So I did that challenge for me only to learn Hindi. But then one by one, probably the algorithm pushed those videos to the Hindu audience. I started getting questions. Oh ma'am, why did you choose Hinduism? Why did you choose Sanatana Dharma? How did you become a Hare Krishna devotee? They were very much interested because me as a Westerner, what prompted me to take up this path? So I started answering those questions in the comment section, but then more and more questions were coming, like upload video from the temple and so and so. So on one point, I just was like, it was like a aha moment, you know, kind of like, hey, wait a minute, maybe Krishna wants me to do this, and Srila Prabhupada. So the first video I uploaded was from Ratha Yatra in 2022. Ratha Yatra, and more and more videos about Vrindavan and about, not Vrindavan, excuse me, about our ISKCON Zurich temple. And then one of the shorts first went viral so much, like 28 million views I got on that video. 2 months later, another shorts also from me cooking in the temple for Lord Jagannath went viral, 24 million views. Then 2 more long videos went quite high with the views, and from there I got my subscribers actually. So within literally 2 months I went from 2,000 subscribers to 150,000 subscribers. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank to each and every one of you for supporting me, for being there, because you are also very great inspiration for me. I mean, like, some of the comments really tear me up. I become emotional when I read certain comments. Like, I want to share one example. This morning, somebody wrote me, because I answered to his comment last night, and then he answered back this morning. He said, "Ma'am, Mataji, I got your reply this morning at 5 a.m. as I was listening to Ramayana." I mean, how beautiful is this? To listen Ramayana in Brahma Muhurta time, especially during Kartik Mass. And this really inspired me. So he was saying, I'm his inspiration, but actually he is my inspiration. So each and every one of you is also my inspiration a lot. So, okay, now let's open this together. I will need a knife. I already have the knife to cut this. Here. So, it looks like this. Hare Krishna. And then we have here a card saying, "Congratulations on your subscribers' milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspired and packed by with great care by Rick." So thank you, Rick. Hare Krishna, Rick. And then there is a letter from YouTube saying, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" Yes, I do remember. It was my daughter. Your 100th? I don't remember so much who was that. Or your 1000th subscriber? I remember the 999 because that person wrote me, "I'm your 999 subscriber." So that's why I remember. But the 1000 after him, I don't know. Chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. Jai Sanatan Dharma, Hindu Dharma forever, Jai. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Thank you. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. Yes, I have, because Krishna consciousness, Sanatan Dharma is unlimited. And we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Hare Krishna, I don't know about that. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next. And we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, "Do you remember your 100,000 subscriber?" Yeah, well, Hare Krishna, let's see, maybe next life. So, okay, yours sincerely, Neil Mohan. Oh my God, YouTube CEO Mohan. Hindu. Jai. Radhe Radhe. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohan. Prabhu. Namaste. Dandavat Pranam and Danyavat. Okay, now let's open it. Here it let's open. Wow! Presented to Mila Sor for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my god. Look. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much one more time. Now I want to present it to my Radheshyam, because without their mercy and the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, this would not have been possible. And Radheshyam are just right here in front of me, so come with me. Let's offer it. Thank you, Radheshyam. Please bless us all with pure bhakti. Bless the world so there may be peace, finally peace, free of war, free of slaughterhouses. May all become Krishna conscious, Sanatana Dharma conscious. Hare Krishna. Jai Ho. So one more time, opla. Thank you so much, my dear friends, Sanatanis, and see you soon again in another video. Radhe Radhe, Shyam Sabko Mile, Shri Vrindavan Dham. Sanatana Dharma, Zindabad.